Hi there and welcome to another episode of Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out the channel. Okay, on today's episode we are going to give this a run, which is the 2021 re-release of the Tamiya Opel Calibra V6 on the Ta02 chassis. So I've just freshly built this. As you may notice, I haven't finished off the decals. There is good reason for that. I've gone for a more of a street sort of looking version of the car. Also, I hate doing the decals on these things. So as I won't be keeping this model, I've left them for the next owner to finish it off, should they wish to. But yeah, I think even still, all in white, it does look a nice looking thing. But I say we're going to get this running today. Now, before we do, I will mention this. The build was really good. Really enjoyed it. It was, you know, first time I've built one of these up from new. I know I've had a few in the past, but I did find that the Lexan body at the back, it feels a bit thin down here. So it seems to like do that quite easily. It seems just a bit thin, so I wasn't overly pleased with that. What else? Tell you what, we will just take the body shell off a minute because I've got to put the battery in anyway. So we'll just whip that off. Okay, so obviously you can see there, that is the roll-in chassis with the electrics in now. I put a brand new Radiant servo in, and also, if you can see it there, just there, you can't see it properly, but it's got an E-Tronics 21 turn brushed motor, and the car's ball raced as well. So we've done that to it. Otherwise, it's a standard build. Other thing I did notice is the prop shaft seems a little bit better than the original one, which looked like a coat hanger. It might be just because it's a different colour, but it does seem a little better to me, but I could be wrong. But there you go. Also as well, you've got the new TBLE 04S Speedo in there. But it's turned out well. Really enjoyed building it, but we're going to run it now. I've got this battery to try out today. I've got this locally from JB Models, but this is a Radiant Superior X 5000 mAh battery. I'm going to try this out and see what it's like. I'll put any links in the description for this. We'll give this a blast and see how it goes. You know, tell we're in Blackpool, you can hear all the seagulls. Okay. Come on, buddy, clip. There we go. There we go. Budget servo, but the steering seems pretty quick on that, which is kind of cool. I'll say again, I'll put the link in the description for what servo I actually bought, what model it is. Anyway, we're just going to get this body shell on now, clip it on, and we'll give it a drive. As I said, if you watch the build video for this, not the build video, sorry, the unboxing video, I said this is exactly like the car that my physics teacher, I should say, and chemistry teacher had at the time when we started up the club at the high school I used to go to, and he had one of these, and I always thought it was amazing. So anyway, so it's quite nostalgic, this. So anyway, we'll put it down on the ground and we'll give it a bit of a blast and see what it's like. And hopefully we'll get run over. That seems nice and smooth. Well, it's got the rear ball dip in this, and I'll tell you what, it does drive. It's driving nicely. Very direct handling. Probably got a little bit of overshoot, to be honest. It's controllable. But no, that is going really well. I like that. So I've never used these batteries before. I think it could do with a bit more punch, to be honest, for a 5,000 milliamp. But move out of the way, that's getting over. From a standstill, it's not bad. It's not bad, but I'd like it a bit more punchy. But I said it might be just this battery. I've got another 5,000 milliamp to try. So you've got a James Ace one to give a go. So we'll see what that's like. Downside of running at Tesco car park, you have got other road users. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I can't fault it. It does drive really nicely. There we go. So, we'll leave it there for running wise. So, final thoughts. Would I buy one? Or would I recommend one? Yes, I would actually. I think it's great. And it is a good handling thing. I mean, remember as well, if you're into your Tamiyas especially, the Tamiya Top Force, it's essentially the same chassis but set up as in touring car form, so it does drive nicely. It's a nice easy kit to put together, usual quality from Tamiya, manual's dead clear, and you can run this in the iconic cup as well. So yeah, I think it's cool. It's nice for a bit of vintage touring, and it's just a nice model, full stop. So there you go. So that is the Tamiya 2021 Opel Calibra V6 DTM touring car on the Ta02 chassis. Very cool. Right, so cheers for checking this video out, much appreciated as always. If you haven't already and you'd like to see more content, please consider subscribing to our channel, and also don't forget we're on Instagram and Facebook now under Andy Robinson RC. Right, we'll see you soon on the next video. Look after yourself and take care. See ya.